I will start from here itself the recording. This is Abhinandan. So today is 6th December 2025. Every time I think I have to come by 5 o'clock, but it becomes about 7 p.m. I was sitting and doing some work and it got delayed. So anyhow, I'm going to say something very important. If you are listening, I want you to get an audio. I'll be making a 20 minutes or a 30 minutes audio if you really want to change your life in 2026. If 2025 did not change your life, okay, either any aspect of your life, financially or you're achieving your dream or your goal, whatever it is, I request you to listen to the 25 or 30 minutes audio, which I'm going to do it today night. But this is about a 7 minutes walk from the place where I stay. Abhinandan here once again. Okay, I came here to Santa Cruz on 12th of October. Today is November 6th. Probably I'll be here for another 15 days. Every time I think I have to come early, I'll go to the center place. So I'll talk here for another 5 minutes. But the important message is, I want you to listen to an audio. Audio which, if you are a positive minded person, and if you have no ego, and if you are ready to take action, you can make 2026 a great year. 2025, 2024, after COVID, everything is great for me. 2021, I made more than 120,000 USDT. One day I made nearly 28,000 USDT. So there are a lot of stories in 2022, 2023, 2024. I came to USA again. So now I am traveling South America. So yesterday also I met a nice person over here, a hugging lady. That's a different story. I'll tell you that later. So already here I see the changes. They have already put this cradle or whatever it is. So let me go around making for another 2 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. But very important is, I have seen people who know me from last couple of years also, or new people. You can visit my website, watch the video. Okay, have patience, because what I am doing is changing and improving my life. See, I have studied a lot of things here in Santa Cruz, Bolivia. So I'm going to take massive action. I cannot explain all that, which will take hours together. That will benefit me, and when it benefits, I don't tell what has benefited me initially. There's a reason for it. Okay? So you have to contact and speak to me. You will get your own lot of tools, AI tools, to build your business globally, to earn globally with your own website. Okay, I'll tell you what is the prerequisite for it. So very important is, you have to contact and speak to me only after you watch the video in my website, abhits.info. abhits.info, which you can see at the bottom over here, and my WhatsApp number. So I want you to contact after study. Open on a laptop or a computer. Unfortunately, in India, people do business, but they say they don't have a laptop. It's very shameful. Some things you can open on your mobile, but many things you have to open on your laptop. So this is like a center place, and Santa Cruz, Bolivia. There are a lot of places like this, but I come to this because this is the nearest one to my place. It's about 7 minutes. Yesterday also I was here. In the evening, I just come for a long walk, and sometime I stay here, connect with some people, interact with some people. So I want you to speak with Abhinandan. See, I speak with a lot of people. Here every day I speak with people. I tell them I visited your website, I saw you on a group, WhatsApp group or on a Telegram. I want to talk to you. I want to meet you for a coffee or discuss with you. So anyhow, this is a nice place. It's only December 6th, like in New York. Last year I was in Miami at this time. It was very nice. So in the same way, here also for the Christmas, the celebration starts early. So there's some activity, cultural activities going on. But very important is you have to listen to the audio. If you don't get the audio, ask me. I know sometimes you might have heard my audio. I'm going to reduce my voice. Just see that. And then so every Saturday, Sunday, I think there will be some cultural event from 6 o'clock till night 11 o'clock. It's a museum over here. Anyhow, each day will be something exciting, something interesting, something resourceful for me. Okay. And it all happens when I connect with the resourceful people here. So anyhow, let me go around, and I want you, those who watch it, no one else is giving you an opportunity for you to travel. No one. Sometimes your own brothers, sisters won't invite you to USA. But let me see what it is. Yeah. So you can tell. I think I'm disturbing you or what?
Pregunta qué está haciendo. Quiere grabar. Él es de la India.
Estoy haciendo una guía.
He's doing a touristic walk. He's doing a Chipotle.
Guía de patrimonio turístico.
Patrimonial touristic guide. Doing a touristic walk, talking about the history of the city.
Wow.
Bueno, ya, el próximo número.
Yeah.
De fitness.
I want to talk to you.
Vamos a hacer.
Because
Yeah,
you're recording.
Yeah.
You're welcome to come to India.
Yeah.
Bienvenido a ir a la India.
Thank you. Wonderful country.
Yeah. So I just interacted with them. This girl speaks very good English. She told he's talking about the history of Santa Cruz.
¿Qué número quiere?
And I'm going to take her number right now because she speaks very good English. Okay. And I'm going to stop right now. Ask me for the audio. Very important is listen to the audio and speak to Abhinandan. Listen to the audio and speak to Abhinandan. I'm going to stop the video right now. Abhinandan over here once again. Okay, I want to talk to her and take her number. Okay, so that any connection will always benefit me in exploring a lot of other opportunities. I'm going to stop right now.